just spend too much money on the painting, right?
Welcome to EPCOT, guys. It's our first park visit of 2024. So we're here to check out Festival of the Arts. It's one of our very favorite festivals.
It is literally my favorite.
It truly, and it is also the shortest. So we've got to get in here and check it out. I think it's roughly like 5 weeks.
Yeah, 5 weeks.
Yeah, I think it ends. So it started January, I think it was 12th, and it ends February 19th.
Is that because it was in the summertime? The paint would literally melt off the paintings. By the way, it's beautiful.
It might be. It's gorgeous today. Yeah. It's in like the 50s.
Yeah, I'd say it was negative 30 last night in Kansas City for the playoff game. It's a close second here today, I think. Pretty chilly.
Not even kind of, guys. It's not that cold. But we're really excited to check out the art, the food, the drinks. Let's go see what there is to see.
Hell yeah. I'm not typically into merch, but the new Figment backpack is actually pretty cool. And it's hard to get, apparently. They're limiting 2 for guests right now, but yeah, it's branded Festival of the Arts. And there's Figment. I don't know, we might be getting this later, I don't know. Tough call. Rounding out the merch here, guys, is the annual pass holder shirt. I think this is my favorite. This is really cool. With all the countries listed. Festival of the Arts 2024 on a tie-dye. That'd be my favorite. It's my favorite. It's nice to be here a few days after this place opened, a few weeks after it opened, just to get a nice uncongested look at the garden they built. It really is pretty. It should not have taken the years it took to build it, I'm sure, and I can't imagine what it cost, but I think it looks nice. I like the trees and the foliage down here.
Hey, look! There's Pluto!
Oh yeah, nice job. So you never know who you're gonna run into. He's having a great time.
Stitch.
Later.
Yeah, I want that one. That's a really great Mickey.
Hell yeah, that's an awesome Mickey.
So our first drink of the festival is this deconstructed strawberry mint julep with bourbon. We got this over at the Deconstructed Dish. It's by Test Truck. So here's that booth. Menu. You can hear Test Truck in the background. Back over there. So let's give this a quick little taste. So how do you like it, Mr. McD?
This is very tasty and fun. The strawberry part comes in this I don't know, turkey baster. And you squirt it out into the drink. Very tiny turkey baster. And then you stir it, and it's delicious, very sweet, very strong.
I like it. I don't feel like it's overly strawberry, which is the thing I was the most concerned with.
It's a hint of strawberry. It's delicious. Cheers, everybody.
Really good. Okay, so we picked this up at El Artista Don't know. Adrian will say the rest of it.
Umbrierto.
It's over in Mexico. So we got the carne asada, which is chipotle marinated beef sirloin with grilled queso fresco, salad with queso fresco foam, and some kind of fun dust. I'm not going to say that right. And then we also got the smoky banana bliss margarita. 10-to-1 rum, illegal mezcal, guava, I think, banana puree, and lime juices. So we're gonna try this out.
Well, Amber, what'd you think of the food?
So what was that? Carne asada.
Yep, she's gone now.
It was really good. It could have been warmer. I mean, that's really all. That's the biggest complaint about it.
Yep.
But it was delicious.
I had the same complaint. It was good, but needed to be warmer. And what are you drinking here?
It's a banana bliss margarita, I think is what it's called. It's so good.
It is bliss.
What I will say is that when you put smoky in the name of any cocktail, that's normally the overpowering thing. And I would say that this is not an exception. This is very smoky.
Yeah.
But the banana is a really unique flavor that you don't really have in a margarita a lot of times. And I think that the rum and the tequila are kind of like balancing each other out here. It's really good.
I agree.
I'm sorry, it wasn't tequila, it was mezcal. It's the rum and the mezcal. They're playing really nice here. So I love it.
The banana really levels this one off. I liked it too.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Where are we off to next?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
How you doing?
So our next snack and cocktail came from the Craftsman's Courtyard. It's kind of between Mexico and Canada. So we've got the coffee old fashioned cocktail, which I don't think Mr. McD's gonna try any of. He really doesn't like coffee. But I like coffee and old fashioned, so we'll give it a shot. And then the grilled pork belly with salsa verde, broccoli rub, pickled peppers, and raclette cheese on grilled sourdough. This looks really, really delicious. Can't wait to try it.
I hate coffee so much. I can't stand it. It makes me gag, but look how beautiful. We don't get great days like this often in Orlando. I mean, like, we've been here 2 years. This is probably like the second week's worth of days that is like this. It's cold. We have our sweatshirts on. Everybody's bundled up. I'm loving the day, even though I hate coffee. Am I giving a review of what we just ate?
Yeah.
Is that what I'm doing? Well, since we last moved to Portland, what did I even eat? What was this? The pork belly?
It was pork belly.
Pork belly with broccoli, which was, frankly, in my opinion, the big problem here, and some sort of cheese and
salsa verde.
Salsa verde, which
on sourdough bread. It was so he's right. I like broccoli, and it was overpowering. There's a lot of broccoli on that. So like, I would say that's about a quarter of the broccoli that was on it, because I did eat a lot of it. So maybe our selection just got a little more broccoli than either of us would have liked.
I'm 0 for 2. I need something like Art Smith fried chicken level good at this point, because I mean, this festival is about the art, not the food, but they really pushed the food this year. So like, deliver, guys. The art's been on fleek, the food not so much.
I mean, if we're being honest, I haven't disliked either of the things. I just wouldn't say that either of them were my favorite. The first one being cold, and then this one was...
Yeah, who doesn't love cold food?
Well, it wasn't intended to be cold. It was carne asada.
We should put microwaves out here.
But this second pork belly dish was okay. Wasn't great. I
liked it more.
Say try it, because it was at least warm.
It was warm. The meat was
with the
good.
raclette cheese, that was the standout of it. I liked having that cheese on top.
Yeah.
And then, oh, guys, my coffee old fashioned. Yeah, I like it. It's really good. It's not overwhelmingly coffee, but yes, there's coffee in this old fashioned. I definitely have this again. So the next snack is from Gourmet Landscapes. It's the wild mushroom risotto. I've had this in the past. It's probably one of my favorite festival snacks. I don't think Adrian likes this so much. He's not a fan of risotto or mushrooms, but it's one of my very favorites, and it's warm in this rainy weather.
That they don't finish. He's like, I'm gonna have to do it. It's been 4 years. Frame's also limited edition.
Okay.
And the guys come fire ready for hanging already.
These are awesome.
So I'm not even going to try to say the French pop-up that, well, is frankly over in France. It's something like La Art de la Cuisine and French. I got the creme de brie, which is the warm creamy brie in a house-made bread bowl, and Adrian wanted to try this. Again, the only thing I can say out of the whole name is framboise, so I know it's got raspberry in it. It's basically a chocolate cake with hazelnut and mango raspberry coulis. So we're gonna give this a try. It looks really good. So we just walked over from France. How do you feel about
The chocolate cake? It's chocolate cake.
Yeah, it was like a molten chocolate cake that had raspberry and mango. How'd you like it?
It was amazing. That's the best thing I've had here so far. I got a bit of a sweet tooth. It's almost as good as this blueberry cider. But no, it was delicious, and it was very artistic the way the mango and the raspberry, he laid it out on the tray, and then just the fudge. It was hot. That was bliss. That was very good.
I liked it. I'm not huge on chocolate, but I did have a taste of it, and the molten like lava part, it's so good. So and then I got the warm brie bowl, and Adrian had some of that. How'd you feel about
I
it?
thought the brie bowl was the bomb. That was like the stealth hit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that brie's my favorite cheese, so it was fantastic, and it was nice and warm.
Yep.
And you know, it's a little rainy and meh out right now, so it was like a nice little.
It fit the mood.
Yes, it was a pretty tasty treat.
Yeah, we go back right now for both of those dishes, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I agree. And then so we popped over to Morocco, and like Adrian said, he grabbed this, I think it's blueberry lavender, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, it is blueberry lavender.
I don't really taste the lavender in it, do you?
No.
Okay. Sometimes floral notes can be overwhelming, but it tastes truly very blueberry, and I thought it was fantastic.
It's fantastic.
It's nice. It's tart.
But not too tart.
It's a nice tart. Yeah. So I'll definitely be back to have another one of those. How about you?
For sure. I would drink this again in a heartbeat.
Awesome. And while looking for a covered spot from the rain, we found Abu from Aladdin back in Morocco. We stopped off at, I think you say Goshiki. It's in Japan. And we got the Wagyu bun, which is a steamed bun filled with American Wagyu beef served with green shishu sauce. And then we also got the blueberry cocktail that has sake with sweet blueberry cream and yuzu. Both of these look pretty divine. This weather is getting to us though. We're getting rained on.
Well, the rain and the cold is sending us home. We're going to cut it short. We know we're going to come back. That's the advantage of living here. So we'll do the second half of the tour or the festival in some future video from now. But right now we're going to go home, warm up, watch some football, and relax. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. Please go ahead and like, share, leave comments about your experiences here, what you liked, what you didn't like. Above all else, subscribe to the channel. I really want to have you along for this journey. And as I always say, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.